Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on a lock screen for Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this we'll need to open a settings, now go for advanced features and enter motions and gestures. Here's all of the motions and gestures on this phone and we're gonna check which of them work on a lock screen. First one is lift to wake. If you turn it on, the screen will wake when you pick your phone. And as far as I know, this feature doesn't work for some reason. And now let's try. You can see that it's enabled. We can lock our phone and pick it up. And as you can see, it's not waking. It's still in a lock mode. So yeah, nice feature. Next one, we have the double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. These features work on the lock screen, so you just need to double tap to wake it up and double tap again to lock it. Next right here is keep screen on while viewing, so that probably won't work on a lock screen. It's kind of pointless there as well. So if you keep looking at your phone, I think that the camera detects your face, then it won't lock. Next up is alert when phone is picked up, so that works on your lock screen, this feature right here. If you receive any message or call while your phone was idle, sitting on a table, and you didn't notice it when you pick it up, then it will vibrate. Mute with gestures. You can mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your phone over or placing your hand like that, and that works fine on a lock screen, so you just need to do it like this and it should mute incoming call even when the phone is locked. Last is palm swipe to capture, and that's a screenshot, which is kind of pointless at the lock screen anyway. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.